Hey guys, this is Ivana and I'm back. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that we just moved into Lexington, Kentucky. So we are filming this in our brand new apartment in this gorgeous kitchen. The day we moved in, the apartment management told us the first meal is on us and left us those ingredients. That's so nice of them, right? We got some penne pasta here, marinara sauce, and this cute little pumpkin. So I thought it would be a really cool idea for a video recipe. Today we're going to be making baked penne with Beyond Bolls and a Holiday Pumpkin Bruschetta. But first, an epic intro.
Place about 1 gallon of water on high heat, add 1 tablespoon of salt and burn it to boil. Place about 3/4 of penne into the boiling water and cook it for about 10 minutes. Always check the cooking time on the back of the pasta package, as different pasta types requires different cooking time. While the pasta is cooking, cut the pumpkin and remove the seeds. Don't waste those seeds, you can also roast it and enjoy it as a delicious snack. Roast the pumpkin at 400 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until ready. Our pasta should be ready by now. Drain it, mix it with about half a can of the sauce and set it aside. Next, let's make some Beyond Bolls. Chop the Italian parsley, we also need about 1/4 of a medium-sized onion. Chop it roughly and blend it in the food processor. Add it to a bowl and followed by a pack of Beyond meat. Add black pepper and chili flakes to your taste. I don't recommend adding any salt, as Beyond is pretty salty already. Add about 1 tablespoon of sauce for extra flavor and mix it well. Spread about 2 tablespoons of sauce into the bottom of the casserole dish to prevent the pasta from sticking. Now place about half of the penne on the bottom and follow with vegan cheese. Next, shape small balls by using a half of Beyond mixture. It will be our next layer. Dip your hands lightly in water to prevent Beyond sticking to your fingers. Follow with another layer of vegan cheese and repeat the same layers again. Make sure to save a little bit of pasta for a top layer for better presentation and cover it with more cheese. Bake it for about 30 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. By this time, our pumpkin should be ready. Remove it from the oven and chill. Next, peel the pumpkin and dice it into small cubes. Cut the baguette, lightly spread it with an avocado oil and toast it in the oven. Next, melt vegan butter, add cranberries, cinnamon stick, and peppercorns. Stir in for about a minute and let those aromas to come out. Next, add diced pumpkin, dash of salt, and dry white wine. Cook it for another minute and add the agave syrup next. Another minute on the stove and done. Place the pumpkin on a toasted baguette. Garnish with a fresh mint and balsamic glaze. Our pasta should be ready by now. I couldn't help it myself. It smelled so good that I have to try it right away. Serve the pasta hot with some pumpkin bruschetta on the side. Like, comment, and subscribe.